Today we will guide you through the basics of social media and how it can benefit your business. In today's competitive digital business landscape, establishing a solid presence on social media is no longer optional. It's necessary. Social media provides a golden opportunity to showcase your brand, engage with your target audience, and ultimately drive business growth. 1. Choosing the right platform. With numerous social media platforms available, it's essential to research and select the ones that align with your target audience and business goals. Check out this video to learn how to choose the right social media platform for you. Facebook, with its massive user base, is ideal for businesses looking to connect with a diverse audience and engage through posts, ads, and live videos. Twitter, known for its real-time updates, is perfect for messages, industry news, and participating in relevant conversations using hashtags. Instagram is a very visual platform that caters to businesses wanting to showcase their products or services through eye-catching images and videos. LinkedIn is designed for professionals and offers opportunities for networking, industry discussions, and showcasing expertise. And let's not forget TikTok. With its algorithm-driven content discovery, it has the potential to make your brand go viral and reach new audiences. When choosing the right platform for your business, consider the demographics and features of each platform and align them with your target audience and content strategy. 2. Creating consistent business profiles. Once you've chosen your platform or platforms, it's time to create your business profiles. Consistency is key here. Use a consistent brand voice, logo, and color scheme across all your social media accounts. You should use high-quality images on all social media platforms because visuals influence your customers' purchasing decisions. This also helps build brand recognition and establishes a cohesive online presence. 3. Creating engaging content. It's important to provide quality and value to your audience through your posts. Share industry news, helpful tips, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and even user-generated content. To keep your content fresh and exciting, begin with a focus on the key platforms and create authentic content while experimenting with different formats, such as images, videos, and stories. 4. Importance of audience engagement. Engagement is the heart of social media. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions promptly. Engage with your audience by asking questions, running contests, or conducting polls. You might even treat your social media presence as a way of providing customer support. Showcasing your awareness of these conversations will lead you to build a strong connection with your audience, fostering trust and loyalty. 5. Monitoring your social media performance. Monitoring your social media performance is crucial. Nearly every platform provides analytics and insights that help you measure your reach, engagement, and audience demographics. Analyze this data to identify what's working and what can be improved. It's an ongoing process of refinement and optimization. 6. Time management and automation. Managing your social media presence can be time-consuming. But we have good news. There are tools available that allow you to schedule and automate your posts, saving you valuable time and effort. By creating a social media content calendar and using scheduling tools, you can plan your posts in advance and have them published automatically. By automating some of your social media efforts, you will be able to maintain a consistent and engaging presence without being overwhelmed. 7. Test, measure, and adjust the strategy. Social media platforms are constantly evolving and changing environments. Continuously measure your results, listen to your audience's feedback, and be willing to make adjustments. Regularly assessing and adapting your social media strategy can optimize your efforts and ensure that you effectively reach and engage with your target audience. So embrace the mindset of testing, measuring, and adjusting as you navigate the world of social media. There you have it. You completed the crash course on social media for beginners. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more digital marketing insights.